In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple markers or pins on your map. So for instance, we have a map here, and I'll wish to add several pins around here. So what you need to do is to go and click on this menu. And from here, click on Saved. Once you are here, look for the Maps option and click on it. Then look for the option called Open My Maps and click on it. Now from here, you want to create a new map. Click on this and then create. So this will open up your map and identify the areas where you want to add several pins. So I'll zoom in my map and let me identify these areas as the places I want to add my pins. So to do so, all you need to do is to go and take the marker here and tap on it and identify the location you want to add the pin. And as you can see, that is point 1. You can leave it as that or give it another name and save it. Go again and select your marker. Identify another point, that is point 2. You can rename it or leave it as it is. Then save it. And another point, let me go take my marker and place it here. And that is my point 3. And save it. So go ahead and add several points as you wish. Now the next thing you need to do is to give your map a name before you can exit. So go ahead and edit this title. As you can see, it is untitled, and give it a name. And once you're done, you can also give it a description or leave it as it is, and then save. And that is it. Now each time you go to your maps and click on the menu, and then saved, and then maps. From here, you can now see the maps that you pinned when you click on it. And this will be available whenever you are using your Google Maps, using your account. You'll be able to see these pinned locations. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.